Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, I received a few requests for creating a detailed video regarding the requirements of Canada Visitor Visa. So here it is. So today I'll guide you everything you need to know to make your process as smooth as possible. So if you're new to the channel, please do not forget to like, comment and share the video for regular updates. To apply for a Canada Visitor Visa, you need to prove that you have sufficient funds to support your travel, stay and expenses while being in Canada. This could include your recent bank statements or any other financial documents that can prove that you have sufficient bank balance. The visa officer should be convinced that you will not come into any financial issues while being in Canada. Travel itinerary is the most crucial part of your application. You must provide a detailed travel plan that includes your flight reservations and hotel bookings. This helps visa officer understand your travel dates, destination and where you will be staying and makes it more genuine to them. Now let's talk about proof of ties to your home country. It is important to prove that you have strong ties to your home country and you will return back to your country. This could be employment, property or family connections. You have to convince the visa officer that you won't overstay your visa in Canada. The stronger the ties, the higher the chances of approval of Canada visa. If you are visiting someone in Canada, you need to provide an invitation letter from the host. The letter should explain your purpose of stay, where you will be staying and the host contact details. If you don't have a host, then this step will not be applicable to your profile. But in case you are having an inviter, then you must ensure that your invitation letter is detailed and clear. Next, you need to provide details about your travel history. If you have held any past visas, you must mention that in your application. This will ensure your credibility as a traveler and that you have followed visa rules in past. If you are employed, you must add your letter of employment. This letter should state your position, salary and how long you have been working with the company. The goal here is to prove that you have a stable job to return to after your trip. Now it's time to clearly state your purpose of visit. Whether you are traveling for the purpose of tourism, visit family, business, you have to clearly mention that and how long you are going to stay over there. This gives visa officer a clear understanding of why you're traveling to Canada and helps them assess your application. In some cases, medical examination must be required. If you plan to stay in Canada for an extended period or you come from a country with health concern, make sure to visit IRCC website if it applies to your situation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with others. If you have any queries, you can write it down in the comment and let me know if you want me to cover any other topic.